going to Halloween Horror Nights this year. Congratulations! But you have no idea what you should be bringing. I got you. Really quick, by the way, if you don't know me, hi, my name's Timea. I live in Orlando, Florida. I live like 5 to 10 minutes away from Universal, and I go 3 to 4 times a week. So I feel like I'm pretty prepared on what to bring, and I've also gone to Halloween Horror Nights a ton of times, so I feel like I know exactly what I like to bring. Obviously, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but let's get into exactly what I like to bring to Halloween Horror Nights, and hopefully this helps you. With Universal, the less stuff you bring, the better. Personally, I would go between either a small bag or backpack, super small backpack, or a fanny pack. Don't make the mistake of starting with a giant backpack, putting stuff in there and being like, oh yeah, this is great. No, I promise you, you can downsize, and you're going to want to, especially with all the crowds going through the houses. You're gonna want to downsize, but here are all the things you need to bring to be prepared for Halloween Horror Nights. One note to keep in mind, if you have a larger camera like I do for vlogging, they do not allow you to carry that in your hand through the house. They ask you to put it into your bag. So make sure you bring a bag with enough room to fit your camera in there if you're bringing a larger camera. You're allowed to bring unopened water bottles inside of Universal so I don't think you can bring something like this. You have to bring an unopened like plastic water bottle, but only if you get in before 9 p.m. I've had friends who tried to get in this year and bring water. They said no food or drinks allowed into Halloween Horror Nights after 9 p.m. Not sure if they're doing this for every single day, but they were told that, so maybe don't take the risk if you're planning on going after 9 p.m. Some things you're obviously gonna wanna bring is a portable charger. Anything, mine is a MagSafe one with a $15 Amazon case. I just pop her on, and it's good to go. It's super slim, super easy, doesn't take up a lot of space, and I can charge my phone, your wallet, as well as your Halloween Horror Nights ticket. You can put them onto your phone on the app. You can add that on there and just scan your phone in, but that's another reason why you're gonna want this, to make sure your phone doesn't die. Next, something that people easily forget on their trips out is medication. You definitely want to bring any type of medicine that you need. I know you brought it in your suitcase, but did you transfer it from your suitcase into your small bag that you're going to be bringing into Halloween Horror Nights? So make sure you bring this. Bring Dramamine, because a couple rides are open if you want to do that. I usually bring Benadryl with me, Advil in case your head hurts, things like that. Ziploc bag, another essential. Make sure you bring that. It rains a ton. Umbrella or poncho. Pick one, bring one. Rain jackets, I feel like are okay, but they don't cover your legs. I feel like they don't really do that much. Ponchos at least go further down. Personally, because everyone is stuck together so close in lines, poncho is gonna be a lot easier. So I personally just prefer ponchos over umbrellas when I'm not vlogging, because it just covers my bag, it covers everything. It's just a lot easier. If you're an umbrella person, just bring an umbrella. Anything, because you don't want to be soaking wet for the whole night. And Halloween Horror Nights happens rain or shine. AirPods. If you're alone, or if you're someone who's getting a ton of anxiety, just needs to calm down, listen to music, distract yourself with videos, AirPods are very, very useful. But on top of that, earplugs. There are earplugs you can get on Amazon, which is in my Scaredy Cat guide for Halloween Horror Nights. And that's it. That's all you're gonna need for Halloween Horror Nights. Your essentials. I also never recommend bringing a giant backpack anyways to Universal when you're going specifically for the rides, which will be in my updated what I bring to Universal video, which again, don't know if that will be up before this, probably not, but just keep a lookout for that, so make sure you're subscribed. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below, and I'd be happy to help you just maximize your time and day at Halloween Horror Nights. Have so much fun. I love y'all. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week and a magical month, and I'll see y'all in the next one.